Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss a special type of pendulum known as spring pendulum. For oscillation we already know that K is equal to m omega square, and from this the time period of spring pendulum is 2 pi root of m by k, which is very important. But some important facts about spring pendulum is very important for you to know. The first is the spring constant is actually inversely proportional to length of spring, which means if the spring is cut into equal halves, we can say each half will have the spring constant to be doubled. So this thing is very important for MCQ point of view. Then if springs are arranged in series, can I say the total length will become L1 plus L2 plus L3? So definitely, since spring constant is inversely proportional to the length of the spring, we can say 1 by K is equal to 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2 plus 1 by K3, which means when the springs are connected in series, the equivalent spring constant is equal to, or the reciprocal of equivalent spring constant is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual spring constants. Now what if I have springs in parallel? In that case, we can definitely say for all the spring, the extension or the expansion is going to be the same, which means if I talk about F is equal to Kx, their K will be different, the force acting on them will be different, but the extension is going to be same. Now if you understand, for spring in parallel, it will be something like this, connected to a common load. So can I say the load weight is distributed between them such that F is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 and so on. The F1 can be written as K1x, K2x, F2s, K3x for F3. Now if we put this over here, we will have K1 plus K2 plus K3 into x, and force over here as Kx, which means the x gets cancelled. And so we can say for spring in parallel, the equivalent spring constant will be equal to sum of individual spring constants. Now these are some important facts which you need to know and remember for spring pendulum. I hope you understood the video. Thank you very much.